Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Way Came to Glory. So in this video we are going to learn oxyacetylene flame. So what do you understand about the oxyacetylene flame and what is the need of oxyacetylene flame? What are their importance? Let's see one by one. In order to achieve an highest temperature above 3000 Kelvin, a flame required, and that flame which has capacity to produce near about 3000 Kelvin temperature, one of such flame is called as oxyacetylene flame. Why it is called as oxyacetylene flame? See here. Because acetylene is used as a fuel and oxygen is used as an oxidant. Okay? Acetylene is fuel and oxygen is oxygen playing a role of oxidant, and hence that together called as oxyacetylene flame. So how that flame is obtained? See here, we have to see or we have to learn the oxidation of or burning of acetylene in the presence of oxygen. Let's see. C2H2 is called acetylene. When acetylene burnt in air, then it gives rise to, सी बच्चों, कार्बन से मिलेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन से मिलेगा वाटर. सो कार्बन गिविंग राइज टू CO2 प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिविंग हाइड्रोजन गिविंग राइज टू वाटर. Along with these two products, there is an formation of some amount of energy near about 1305 kilojoule per mole energy. Kilojoule per mole energy. So if we balance that reaction, then see here, 2 carbon atoms, we can write 2 hydrogen balanced. Oxygen in the left hand side is only 2, but on the right hand side 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, and that's why 5 divided by 2. This is the balanced reaction. In place of this 5 by 2, if we multiply throughout the equation by 2, then we get, see here, 2 times C2H2 plus 5 times O2. By multiplying with 2 get cancelled, therefore 5 remains. Then here 2 to the 4 because of multiplication with 4 plus 2 times water molecule. Okay. So average amount of energy is same here, and average amount of energy is 1305 kilojoule per mole amount of energy is obtained. Actually, by balancing this reaction, we get 1305 kilojoule amount of kilojoule per mole amount of energy. So as the reaction is an exothermic reaction, near about 3500 Kelvin temperature is achieved by using this reaction. So by using this temperature, we can easily prepare oxyacetylene flame. Okay, and that oxyacetylene flame is very much important in cutting and welding of metals, in welding workshops also, and also it is used as a torch in the welding workshop. So that oxyacetylene flame is very much useful, and most of the use is in the welding and cutting. But for that oxyacetylene flame, we require large amount of acetylene. अगर ये ऑक्सीएसिटिलीन फ्लेम इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, तो ये उसका रॉ मटेरियल जो है वो भी हमें चाहिए ना एक्स्ट्रा क्वांटिटी में. तो हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर दैट एसिटिलीन इन लार्ज अमाउंट? सी बच्चों, द इंडस्ट्रियल प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एसिटिलीन is from the calcium carbide. Let's see one of such reaction. See, CaC2. This is nothing but calcium carbide. Plus, when the hydrolysis of calcium carbide takes place, hydrolysis, it means that addition of water molecule. We can write water molecule as a HOH. ये केमिस्ट्री है बच्चों. रिएक्शंस ऐसे लिखनी चाहिए जहां से हमें प्रोडक्ट कैसे मिल रहा है उसी टाइम पे समझ में आना चाहिए. इसीलिए ये इस तरह से इसे HOH लिखा है मैंने. फाइन. सो यहां पे मैं टॉइस लिखूंगी because I want 2 hydroxyl groups. Why? Here calcium is there. Calcium require 2 OH so that CaOH by 2. So this one is the side product. And what remains inside? C. See this red box? C2 और ये H2. C2H2 का मतलब एसिटिलीन. और ये Ca और यहाँ पे ट्वाइस है, ट्वाइस OH, CaOH by 2. So in this way we get C2H2 which is called as acetylene, and along with that acetylene CaOH by 2, that is called calcium hydroxide. By using this reaction, actually this is an industrial preparation. We can prepare acetylene in large quantity, and therefore by using this hydrolysis of calcium carbide we can prepare acetylene along with calcium hydroxide. So in this way, this is the oxyacetylene flame, and it is developed by the French engineer. Okay. So in this way, oxyacetylene flame is over, finished. Do you understand these things? It's a very important. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.